Chitkara University, with campuses in both Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, has earned an overall rating of 4.5 stars out of 5 by students on shiksha.com. In this review video, today we will focus on Bachelor of Physiotherapy course offered by the School of Health Sciences at the Punjab campus. In the academic year 2023, out of 1,962 students, 1,568 students were placed and 278 students went for higher studies. Although the number of students placed here has increased significantly, the placement rate has dropped by 6 percentage points since 2022. The median salary for graduates here has risen to 8.25 LPA in 2023, showing a 10% increase from 2021. And when compared to Rayat Behra University and Guru Kashi University, Chitkara University offers more favorable salary outcomes, making it a preferred choice. Notable recruiters here are ABTP, Fortis, Park Hospital, Medanta, AIMS, Apollo, Max, and Alchemist. Roles offered include positions as lead and assistant physiotherapists in orthopedics, sports, cardiology, and neurology. For internships, students get opportunities at Fortis, Apollo, Indus, and Max, with stipends around 15,000 rupees per month. The Bachelor of Physiotherapy program here spans around 4.5 years, consisting of a 4-year curriculum followed by a mandatory 6 months of internship. For admissions, you must have a minimum aggregate of 50% in 10+2 exam. The total tuition fees of Bachelor in Physiotherapy here is 3 lakh rupees. The hostel fees here ranges from 62,000 rupees per semester to 1,05,000 rupees per semester. It varies as per the facilities chosen, such as bathroom type and room sharing, as well as AC or non-AC option. Various scholarships are also available through direct application via the university portal. Let's now look at the 5-star rated infrastructure. Chitkara University campus, spanning a large area and well connected with neighboring cities, houses 16 schools including the School of Health Sciences. It features spacious ICT-enabled classrooms, lecture halls, auditoriums, and a well-equipped library. Students benefit from modern labs such as preclinical, community health nursing, and anatomy and physiology labs. Hostels for boys and girls are well equipped and provide good food options as per student reviews. The campus also offers ample facilities for both indoor and outdoor sports, along with a cafeteria, medical center, bank, and transport services. Faculty and course has received a rating of 5 stars. Most faculty members here hold PhD degrees from reputable institutions. Students appreciate their engaging teaching methods and mentoring. The curriculum includes skill enhancement and personality development courses, with a minimum attendance of 75% required for exams and a passing percentage of 50%. The university has international collaborations with institutions such as the University of Nottingham, Purdue University, Northern Illinois University, and Swinburne University, offering semester exchanges and articulation programs. There are also course-specific partnerships with renowned hospitals. Research opportunities here are bolstered by the Chitkara Innovation Incubator, which includes various sectors such as agri-tech, health tech, edtech, SaaS, and fintech. Now looking at the campus life, which has received a rating of 4.9 stars. There are a total of 38 departmental and general clubs for students to actively participate in, with C2S2 serving as the cultural and social service club. The intra-university and theatre fest is highly anticipated by students here. Campus life is engaging with frequent workshops, symposiums, and national and international conferences. In terms of NRF India rankings, Chitkara University currently holds the 90th rank in university category as per NRF rankings of 2024. But if you want to find out more details about it or to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, visit shiksha.com. We would also like to hear from you, so drop a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.